I cook bone. Only God will help me eat this. This is why I cook bone, oh. Bone of the croaker fish. Now only God will help me eat them because it is bony. All I need to eat this food is just God, so that bone will not destroy me. Oh, eh. But many people think that there is no nutrient in bone. Bone has nutrient. All these things are bone. Bone. This is the head of croaker fish, and the bone that's at the middle. That's what I cook. Bone. I add my son not to near this sauce. Because of the bone. It's adult food. I hold the boy here, so don't near here. Don't near the pot. No matter how sweet it tastes, it is don't eat it, because you will not be able to remove the bone. This is the only food adult eat with caution. You see the bone? See it? I'm going to remove this one. I've seen with my 2 eyes. All this are bone. Yeah. Whether you're not seeing it well, see the bone? I throw some away. That's the head.